All right, so this is our garden space. I'm gonna use this rototiller just to kind of break up the topsoil. The idea is that, we want this to be a little bit more level of an area, but, the first few feet next to the house there, absolutely want to maintain the grading away so we don't have water going down into our foundation. But then the rest of this, it goes down maybe 3 or 4 inches over a 12-foot run, and we just want that to be a bit more level. So, gonna get right to it. All right, so this is more or less level here behind me. So next step, we're gonna put out some landscaping fabric. All right, well, I didn't have enough landscaping fabric. I have to go back to the store and get some more. All right, it's a new day. I ran out of landscaping fabric. It was just what I had left from a different project, so I went back to the store, got ourselves some new fabric here. Let's finish up this project. Let's get it done. All right, easy as that. Next step, we're just gonna go grab those first 3 beds and get them laid out where we want them. So what we've done here is kind of measured everything out, got it nice and even and laid out how we want, and then we took the shovels and dug down underneath each of the posts here, and then I have the persuader, and I'm just gonna tap them down into the ground just to help keep them in place over time. And next up, we're just gonna put some rocks in here, clear up the space back there, so that way we can put in those square beds in the back.